Hello students, this is A3 Education, Class 10 CBSE Chapter 1 Real Numbers, Exercise 1.1 Fifth Sum. This is a very easy sum. It is similar to the example 1 as we studied in our video. You can refer my playlist. Check whether 6 power n ends with the digit 0 for any natural number n. Okay. Given Gn, n be a natural number. Okay. Means n is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Okay. Let us assume that 6 power n ends with the digit 0. Okay. என்ன condition பா? For example, பாருங்களேன் 10, 20, 50, 70, 100 இது எல்லாமே divisible by 0. ஏன்னா ends with 0 அப்போ divisible by 2 and 5. Therefore, it should contain என்னப்பா? It should contain 2 and 5 as the factors. Okay. When coming to this condition, 6 power n, it is 2 into 3 power n. Therefore, it does not contain five as a factor. For any natural number n. Therefore, 6 power n does not ends with the digit 0 for any natural number n. Okay. ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருந்துச்சாப்பா. First வந்து we considered that n is a natural number and assumed that 6 power n ends with 0. For the condition it should ends with 0, it should be a factor of 2 and 5. So coming to this condition, 6 is a 2 cross 3. It is not a factor of 5, but it is a factor of 2. It should be a factor of 2 and 5. As the combination of 2 and 5, it ends with 0. 2 into 5, 10. Therefore, ends with 0. Therefore, there is no factors of 5. Therefore, it is not ends with 0 for any natural number. Okay, thank you.